谢谢好。
Losing weight can be a real struggle.
But we all did it.
With XLS Medical, and you too could lose up to 3 times more weight than through dieting alone. It binds some dietary fat